Really? What else are you saying? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good story. Can you say hi to Mom, Grandma and Grandpa? I can say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. Oh. You said love to both of them? I thought so.
Oh,
that was a good drool. Yeah. No, there's some lungs. No, there's some lungs. Maryback. I'm doing a video. Huh?
You have puppy?
Are you going to say bye-bye?
Where's Dad? Where's Dad? Where's Dad? You yawning?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. That was a big yawn. It's almost bedtime. Oh, another big one. Almost bedtime.
Okay. Say goodnight. Oh, okay. Good night, Grandma, Grandpas. See you guys soon. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. That was good. That was good. You got anything more to say?
Okay, good night.